Make sure you stay till the end. We'll talk about 2 common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you guys have a dot charger, you're trying to find the fuse for the sunroof, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. You may actually have up to 2 fuses guys for the sunroof. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end, we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses, common mistakes people make, and where you can buy cheap fuses from as well. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys want to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge or any vehicle, you want to get them at a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's continue now. So what we have here specifically guys, you can see that's a V6, but even if you have a V8 it will be about the same. Automatically most people will think that the sunroof fuse is in that fuse box right here, but it's not. It's actually in the trunk of your dot charger. So we'll need to go ahead, open the trunk, and we'll continue and show you where we have a hidden fuse box. But before we do that, if you replace the fuse and it still doesn't work, what else it could be? Let's explain that now guys. You may need to use a scanner to reset the codes in your body control module and computers. So that's a great scanner. I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from for a really good price and quick shipping. It works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. Check out the link guys, but it's amazing too. So let's go ahead, go to the back and show you how where actually the fuses are located now. So we're in the trunk of that dot charger. Lift up the cover for the spare tire, and right here you have the spare tire and the car battery. 2 common mistakes people often make. Actually we'll talk about 3 of them. One, it's recommended guys for certain fuses and relays to disconnect the car battery, otherwise you can cause damage to the electrical system, modules, computers. And on these modern new vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first. If you do it the wrong way you can burn electronics, modules. How we know that? We burned ours guys and on Mercedes, and it cost us $2,000. That's your fuse box right here, it's hidden. You go ahead, press here and pull it out like that. Now which fuse specifically we need to check guys, okay, for the sunroof. Now let me talk why it's super important to test fuses. You cannot always clearly see if they're burnt or not. Sometimes it looks like a really good fuse, but it's not, it's bad, it's burnt. And if you put it back in, you spend time, money to fix a problem that doesn't exist. So always test fuses, relays. We'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. Check it out, it will be on our channel. The first fuse that you will need to check guys, in our case now, will be fuse number 5, F5, but this is guys the 4th fuse. Even if you have a missing one like this one, you count it 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first fuse that you will need to check, okay, right here. So grab it and pull it out. That fuse guys is number 1. Now we have another fuse that we need to check as well. This is known for a sunroof, but it's actually for multiple things. One of them is the rain sensor, sunroof, and the rear view mirror as well. That fuse, it's a little bit hidden guys, not so clear. It's towards the back. Now if you go to that panel right here and you go 1, 2, 3, we're talking about that fuse right there. That's the fuse that you will need to check guys, okay? This fuse you can see. Now if you want to see where to buy cheap fuses from, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out and we will share it there. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.